the width and field of your workbook depends on the formatting of your workbook. That will make your items or your content inside the Excel sheet more appealing. And so let's dive into it and start looking at how we can format the workbook to make your content more appealing. So we'll start by highlighting the inventory. So we highlight it. You want to increase the font size. So you either type in the font size you want to put 15 and enter, or you may want to just click on the drop down arrow here and select the size you want. So I may want to get this 20, okay, and this is okay. Now after getting the font size, it is squeezing in one cell, so I want to increase the size. So I want to enlarge it to make it more bigger. So what I have to do is to highlight and merge it. So come and click on merge cell. So I just merge it. It's going to merge for me. Now it has been merged to the right, so I want it to come to the beginning, so I just double click it and it comes there. Or you can also highlight it again and use the alignment to do that. Now after you have done this, you also want to change the color to suit what you want to do. So changing the font size is one, and changing the font color is also one. I can still increase the font size to say 30, or let's say 36 to make it bigger, and then I change the font color to make it more appealing. So let's see which color is more suitable. So I think this color is nice. So if you haven't seen the color that you want here, you can just click on more colors, and then I think if I choose something here, that would be nice. Yes, then just click on OK, and your color is going to be applied to that particular text. Okay, now you also use the alignment to align it to the left or to the right. Okay, so that is how you change the font size of your text in an Excel sheet. Now using the bold. Now after doing this, I want to bold it, so you highlight again and click on the bold option, and it's bolded for you. Next, you may want to change the font type. Click on the arrow and choose the nice one that will best suit your thing. So let's see, I think this one is nice for me. Inventory list, it's nice for me. Now after you have done this, you may also want to change all the font sizes in your work so that it may look nice. So all you have to do is to click on this drop down arrow, and it's going to highlight the entire worksheet, but I want to apply it to only this side of the worksheet. So you highlight those parts, and then you click on align to center. I'm using the alignment, align to center, so that my work will be more nice, so the things are presented in the center. And next is to make adjustments to the cells so that at least they can be more visible. All you have to do is to click here, and then you adjust the size. So once you adjust the size of one, it's going to affect the entire columns, because we have highlighted the entire worksheet. And let me highlight, or let me adjust the row just by bringing your cursor there too. Click it, and then you adjust that one too, and then it's going to affect the entire worksheet. So sorry, we have highlighted only one part, so let me just do undo, and then I'm going to highlight the entire one because I want the entire rows to be affected by what I'm coming to do. So all you have to do is to bring your mouse cursor to the edge, and once it has turned into these two arrows pointing up and down, you click and adjust it to the size you want. It's going to affect the entire worksheet. So now you can see it clearly, and you can see what you want to do inside there at a glance. Okay, and so this is how you do the formatting of the size, the formatting of the cell, and then the color that you want to put inside. Now we also want to add the border styles, or the cell styles. To add the cell styles, all you have to do is to highlight the entire thing or the area where you want to apply the cell style, and then you come to the cell style in the styles group, then you choose the style that you want to use. Okay, so let's say checking input. There are a lot of styles in here, so let me see, new style, line font size. So if you want to do your own font size, you come to the new style and you do it there. But I will want to use an old style, so you can choose any of them, and it's going to pick the color of the style. If you don't like this, if you don't prefer it, you can go back and change it again by putting linked list. So it's going to also change this for you. Better still, I can change it to another neutral like this. Better still, so you have to just continue to do it to get the one that you want, the one that's best fitting you. Okay, so if I have chosen this or this, now if I have chosen this, realize that some of the cells have run away. The cell lines, the borders, don't put that way, the borders are no more there. So you may want to insert the borders inside. So all you have to do is to continue, leave the thing to still be highlighted, the entire thing to be highlighted. Then you now come and click on borders. Then click on the drop down menu, select all borders, and it is coming to indicate the borders for you. Okay, and this is how you work with your Excel sheet to make it more appealing to you. Now we have applied the Excel cell, the styles in the Excel. We have used the formatting and the painting size and all that. So thank you for watching the video. I want you to look into the previous video and the next video that I'm coming to upload to be more conversant with it. But more to the point, all you have to do is to keep on practicing with the Excel. I will be looking at details into using formulae and how to code the Excel sheet for better and future understanding. Thank you and have a nice time.